Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a solar charger, 26,800 milliamp power bank. It is an 18 watt PD fast charging portable phone charger with 4 solar panels, a type C USB external battery pack for all iPhones and Androids. Alright, so right here is the solar charger, power bank, portable charger. This is the solar with the 4 panels. First off in the box, you can see on the description on the back, this is a 26,800 milliamp solar battery charger. This is black and orange. So it says power your life, power your work. So right here you have a user manual. This basically just tells you step by step on how to use this solar battery charger and some specifications. So we're just going to put the battery bank on the side, and you do have a type C charging wire. It is about a couple inches. So now let's dip into the charger itself. It is in orange and black in color. It is an 18 watt PD fast charging. You can charge up your phone from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. You do get a little night strobe and emergency light right here. Here is the USB port to plug in all your devices. You got a USB 1, 2, 3 in and out. So for the iPhone 12, you can charge it up to 8 times. A Galaxy 20, you can charge up to 6 times. A tablet, you can actually charge up to 3 times. This has a rugged exterior look. It is a 4-time fast charging speed. It is shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof. Right here is your display. This tells you what your battery level is at. You've got the little display button here at the top. This is a little clip that doesn't pretty much do anything. And then you have a little strap to keep all the solar panels in one spot. It is put on there by a little clip. So when you pop that off, it'll expose all the 3 solar panels. And then you have the 4th one on the device itself. So you can charge 3 multiple devices simultaneously. The solar charge is compatible with most devices and can charge different phones at the same time. Just bring your cables and you can share the energy. As the light, you have a regular light, a strobe light. So it helps you in those night times. You have the display right here. And then when it's charging, the display will actually turn yellow. There are 2 ways to charge this power bank. You can charge it by the sun, or you can charge it by a 110 plug outlet. It's got a strong SOS strobe, the bright LED flashlight. So this is basically a really nice equipped battery charger. It has 26,000 milliamp. It is a lithium polymer battery, 6 watt, 5 volt. And it is about 570 grams or 1.26 pounds. So if you're looking for a solar battery charger that is rugged, I would say check this one out.